Nailed It, and today is a little haul from Igel Beauty. Some, I guess you call them fall colors. And I bought 2 sets of polishes, which they give you, or you purchase, the gel and the lacquer, the regular nail polish. I got the Blazing Orange and Oktoberfest. Bring these up closer so you can see them. I do have them on today. Whoops, not those, but these. Oktoberfest and Blazing Orange. I do love the colors. This is the lacquer, not the gel I'm wearing. These are the gel. This is Blazing Orange, along with Oktoberfest. These are beautiful, beautiful colors. Here is the regular, the lacquer. This is what I have on. So you can see they are true to color, both and both. They have been top coated as well. So I'm going to set those off to the side. And I also purchased 4 acrylic powders from them, which is what I meant when I said that I purchased fall things. So I have got Jester. I shall open them all first and show you. Ooh, that's really pretty. Really pretty. We've got Oktoberfest. So you can also see the numbers on the bottom. This is Jester, DD104. And again, this is from Igel Beauty. There is no hair items used in this video. Let me turn my light on. Thing is really, really pretty. Whoopsie. And this is Miss Sunshine, DD55. Oh, that's really pretty. Really pretty. It's like an orangey pink kind of way, I think. And then we have got DD158, which is Mistletoe, which this will be for Christmas. Hence being called Mistletoe. Oh, look at this. Look how, let me get it. Oh, you can see that it's so pretty. It's got some sparkle in there. A fine mix. So these we are going to swatch out. I have got my swatch sticks ready to go. Whoopsie. Get my monomer. First we are going to do, whoops, let me just take the lids back off these. Oh, these are so pretty. So pretty. I want to mix this one up though, just to make sure that see the swirl in it. That's what I'm trying to avoid in the acrylic. Make sure everything's mixed up. And we're ready to go. Same with this. Gonna mix them all. Oh, this is so pretty. I think Miss Sunshine's ready. She looks ready to go. Put that over there. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the all bell, or all on the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. And from now till the end of the year, I'll be putting out more than normal. Normally it's 3 times a week I upload. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Tuesday is my acrylic docu-series. Saturday is She Modern Saturday. Thursday I do reviews and unboxings and nail art. It's just It could be anything I'm doing on a Thursday. But Glitter Girls, you know, we're going to have more videos coming out. And other collabs that I'm involved in, or my own little nail art I'll be doing for the holidays. Make sure I'm in frame. This is real nice, real smooth. Real smooth. Gives you a nice bead. Spread this out over here. So I know I got a lot of videos coming out. Whoops. So I hope you all will stay tuned. Give them a view. Clean your brush. And this is Jester. Ooh, where are we go? That is really pretty. Really pretty. So we're gonna leave that over here to dry. Our next culprit is Oktoberfest. I think these are so pretty. I mean, my heart's with the Nails Junkie and her acrylics, but evidently I don't know, I don't remember purchasing these, but evidently I did. I have an order coming from the Nail Junkie with, I'm not sure what's coming. I think it's the October grab bag she said I have coming, and a little surprise that I cannot tell you about yet. I was so excited when she told me. So excited. So stay tuned for that video. I'll be swatching out some colors. This is really pretty. Trying to clean all the acrylic out of my brush. This is Oktoberfest. Whoopsie. That is just beautiful. And this is Oktoberfest, which is the brown I have on here. Beautiful colors. Clean my brush a little bit more. Next, whoops, knocking stuff over. Mistletoe, which is the green. This is going to come in very handy at Christmas time. Very handy. This is just gorgeous. I don't have any Christmas colors. This is just right up my alley for Christmas. Let's start to rave here. What am I going to do for Christmas colors? For all my colors are mostly summer. A lot of pinks, a lot of purples. I think this is just beautiful. Again, this is Mistletoe. I hate this light, just doesn't help me none. This is just beautiful. And last but not least, we have Miss Sunshine. Trying to get a decent bead here. Let's go backwards on the nail a little bit. A little bit of gravity going on. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of all these so far. These are just, they're gorgeous. I like them. I do, I like. It's a little bit too big of a bead here. This is Miss Sunshine. It was just gorgeous. I think that was really, really pretty. Lay this here, give this a chance to cure, clean up my mess, and we will be right back. Alright, we are finished. We are out of the lamp. I top coated while we were away. And here are our 4 beautiful colors. We've got Miss Sunshine, Jester, Oktoberfest is the gold brown one, and that beautiful green one right there is Mistletoe. Again, these are for Igel Beauty. This is not a PR video. This was out of my pocket for my personal use. I think these are beautiful. So, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these or the nail polish swatches. And here they are again. Blazing Orange and Oktoberfest. Just like the acrylic. Well, that is all for today. Hope you've enjoyed yourself. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.